Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Pink color, red color, orange color, purple color, light green color and blue color. Now let's learn the numbers counting 1 to 20. First 1, number 1. Next kids, 2, number 2. Next kids, 3, number 3. Next 4, number 4. Next kids, 5, number 5. Next 6, number 6. Next kids, 7, number 7. Next kids, 8, number 8. Next kids, 9, number 9. Next 10, 1, 0, 10, number 10. Next kids, 11, 1, 1, 11, number 11. Next 12, 1, 2, 12, number 12. Next 13, 1, 3, 13, number 13. Next 14, 1, 4, 14, number 14. Next kids, 15, 1, 5, 15, number 15. Next 16, 1, 6, 16, number 16. Next kids, 17, 1, 7, 17, number 17. Next kids, 18, 1, 8, 18, number 18. Next kids, 19, 1, 9, 19, number 19. Next kids, 20, 2, 0, 20, number 20. What we learn? We learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 0 10, 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15, 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19, 2 0 20. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.